Out with the old and in with the new. It has so many pockets for all the kids' stuff, including a cooler bag for their snacks and pouches for their activity books. It's a big yes from us. Alright, so we've made the switch to living in a bubble. New organisers for the back seats of the cars for the kids. We are sick. We've gone through about 5 of these cheap eBay ones, and now we've converted over to some quality ones from these guys, and they look mint. Check this out. So this is magnetic, just comes off so I can pack the kids' lunches and cold packs in there. Cold pack in the front, keep all their stuff cool. Water bottle with an adjustable thing, which means we can have the bigger size water bottles as well. Headphones, all their stuff, their books and stuff in here, and then I've actually gone and put all their spare shoes and spare clothes in there for when we are running around and getting wet and all over the place. What's in there? Yogurt. Yum! Yum, smile and show me. Yay! Good job. Put it back in and open the front. Just here we got a cold pack. Keep it cold.
That's how I make it cold.
Pull out your water bottle and have a drink. Good job. Give me a thumbs up. This thing is awesome. I highly recommend it. So fits perfectly in the back of the trunk. The kids have everything they need. Thanks Living in a Bubble. They are freaking amazing.
Hit the road without the clutter. Our premium seat back organizer keeps your van tidy and essentials within arm's reach. No more searching for lost keys or cables. The grab-and-go magnetic toiletry bag makes freshening up effortless, while spacious pockets fit everything from snacks to sunscreen. Durable, stylish, and adventure-ready because van life should be smooth and stress-free.